you guys, you're watching Sportskeeda TV and we are at the Vapor for the Manchester United versus Stoke game, and unfortunately this is United's fourth consecutive loss, a stat so bad that even David Moyes hadn't achieved it. Your thoughts on the game today?
No, we played really bad. Stoke deserved the win.
Yeah?
You have to give credit to Stoke. They just played us out of the park.
Yeah.
And we didn't show up, to be frank.
Yeah.
Yeah, like as usual, I expected a loss coming to the game.
Why were you expecting a loss?
Like LVG from a month, we haven't won a game since a month almost,
Yeah.
So we spent around 300 million, it's been 18 months, philosophy isn't working, time to go, Louis.
So with this loss now, how much more time do you think LVG has at United, or would you still stick with him?
Yup, I would still stick with him. I mean, there's a lot of like banters and etc. going around that we should sack LVG and get Jose Mourinho in, but I would stick with LVG.
Your honest opinion of
Yes.
Jose Mourinho
Jose Mourinho, yeah,
at United?
he'll be a great manager. He has already proved that, and yeah, he will be good. But I would still stick with LVG.
Yeah?
Yeah,
Okay.
because it's like he needs some more time. It's not his everything is going bad. Like just give him some time. It's just been one season.
Yeah.
Just give him some time, and he has already been proved what he is worth it at very different places.
Yeah.
Let's give him some time.
What do you guys think? Is Van Gaal going to be around?
There's no other option for us. See, Jose Mourinho, I would really hate if he comes to United. I don't think we are going to improve under him. I would have loved Carlo Ancelotti, but he's going to Bayern.
Yeah.
Pep most likely City. So who else is there? Giggs is an experience, definitely. I don't think he's gonna improve much. So I think it's if you look at it, we have to stick with LVG. We don't have any other option.
How about you?
No, I would definitely want to bring Jose Mourinho in.
So
because
you being a United fan, you guys are you booed Chelsea, you booed
Yeah,
the Mourinho way for so long, you would accept it now?
desperate times, can't help. Yeah, but I wouldn't trust LVG with another 300 million or so.
So how many more games would you give LVG?
Yeah,
you
I
give him
think
to the end of
no.
the season?
I think Wolfsburg was his last straw. I wanted him out after the Wolfsburg game. They gave him a chance. I read some reports saying after the Stoke City game he's going to be gone.
Yeah.
So yeah, we have a game against Chelsea Monday. I know that game's gonna be like who's more shit. It's gonna be like that. But I would want Mourinho in. He's gonna bring us some titles, and let's see what happens.